morning guys, I have definitely been woken up by this aroma of popcorn. So today is Friday and I am watching One Night Stand starring the hot and gorgeous Sunny Leone and Tanuj Virmani. So what exactly is the director of this film, Jasmine D'Souza, trying to convey to the audience? Let me find out and catch you back in the interval. इंटरवल टाइम देखो देखो मुझे मेरी कोल्ड ड्रिंक कितनी क्यूट ग्लास में मिली. एनीवेज तो मूवी जो है इंटरवल हो चुका है, एकदम ऐप टाइम पे इंटरवल हुआ है. नाउ मूवी में ऑब्वियसली है तनुज विरमानी, सनी लियोनी एंड नायरा बैनर्जी. तीनों के बीच में एज इन लाइक 2 कपल्स ईच हो गया. तनुज एंड सनी एंड तनुज एंड नायरा, अमेजिंग केमिस्ट्री. सनी इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग स्टनिंग एंड उनके हॉट सीन्स भी हैं. नायरा एंड तनुज के भी हॉट सीन्स हैं. तनुज इज ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक हिज बॉय नेक्स्ट डोर image from the last film that he did, and he is growing on me. I am liking him. He's looking handsome, acting really well. So all in all, I think I like the cast bit. Now when it comes to the story, it's very intriguing and I am waiting for the plot to unfold. एकदम right time पे interval किया है तो मेरी curiosity तो बहुत ही बनी हुई है. So let me go back in with my favorite glass and come back to you with the full review. Hi guys, so I just got done watching One Night Stand and I'm sure most of you have guessed that I am obsessed with this glass for the day, so I'm taking this home and let's get to the point. So जब मैंने इस मूवी का ट्रेलर जब निकला था तो there was just so much talk about this film that I had to go watch it and come back with a review for you guys. So as the name suggests, this movie is about a bold topic, one night stand, which is a taboo in our society. And it revolves around this one night that takes place in the life of Tanuj and Sunny Leone and the effects of it that follow in the people that are in their lives. Now, when it comes to acting, I feel that Sunny Leone has maintained her sexy and hot image. She has acted well, though the second half of the film demanded more emotions from her and she wasn't able to. She did try, but everything seemed incomplete. Now when it comes to Tanuj Virmani, I think he has successfully been able to break the image of a next door boy and he's acted well. He's also maintained this awesome chemistry between both the female opposites in his film, one being Sunny Leone and the other being Naira Banerjee. Now when it comes to Naira Banerjee, she tried to hold her own amongst these two actors and I think she's done a pretty good job with it and she's looked fabulous in the film. When it comes to the direction, this is Jasmine D'Souza's directorial debut and I have to say that she has successfully been able to join the genre of an erotic thriller. She has shown immense potential. I've loved the way the movie has been shot. This movie is apt in terms of story and in terms of the duration. The first half was definitely better than the second half and I have to say that it's a one-time watch because it's a good head start in terms of the potential of direction by Jasmine, also in terms of the acting and the story. So go for it.